What's the release date of God of War Ragnarok? God of War Ragnarok is scheduled to be released on November 9, 2023. Santa Monica Studio and Sony Interactive Entertainment developed it for the PlayStation 4 and PlayStation 5. It is the sequel to 2018's God of War and the 9th installment in the God of War series. The game is set in the Norse mythology and will follow Kratos and Atreus as they journey to Jotunheim, the land of the giants, in search of answers about Atreus' true identity. Along with this, it will also feature 9 realms and will be the largest in the series. The game is already available for pre-order, and players who pre-order will receive a number of bonus items, including, *the Dark Horse Digital Art Book, *the Kratos Risen Snow Armor, *the Atreus Risen Snow Tunic. There are 3 different editions of God of War Ragnarok available for pre-order, *Standard Edition*, *This edition includes the base game only, *Launch Edition*, *This edition includes the base game, the Dark Horse Digital Art Book, and the Kratos Risen Snow Armor and Atreus Risen Snow Tunic. *Collector's Edition*, *This edition includes the base game, the Dark Horse Digital Art Book, the Kratos Risen Snow Armor and Atreus Risen Snow Tunic, a steel bookcase, a 7-inch vinyl soundtrack, a pin set, a cloth map, and a replica of Thor's hammer. Here are some tips on how to play God of War Ragnarok. Learn the controls. The controls in God of War Ragnarok are complex, but they are essential for mastering the game. Take some time to practice with the controls in the training mode so that you can become familiar with them. Use your weapons effectively. Kratos has a variety of weapons at his disposal, and each one has its own strengths and weaknesses. Learn how to use each weapon effectively so that you can take down your enemies quickly and efficiently. Upgrade your gear. As you progress through the game, you will earn resources that can be used to upgrade your gear. Upgrading your gear will make you stronger and more durable, which will make it easier to defeat your enemies. Use Atreus effectively. Atreus is a powerful ally, and he can be used to deal damage to enemies and to distract them so that you can attack them from behind. Learn how to use Atreus effectively so that you can take down your enemies more quickly. Explore the world. The world of God of War Ragnarok is vast and full of secrets. Explore the world to find new weapons, armor, and resources. You may also find hidden challenges and rewards. Don't be afraid to die. Dying is a part of the game, and it is an opportunity to learn from your mistakes. Don't be afraid to die, and use each death as an opportunity to improve your skills. With these tips, you will be well on your way to playing God of War Ragnarok like a pro. Here are some additional tips that might help you improve your gameplay. Use the environment to your advantage. There are many objects in the environment that can be used to deal damage to enemies or to create openings for attacks. For example, you can throw barrels at enemies or use pillars to crush them. Be patient. The combat in God of War Ragnarok is challenging, but it is also rewarding. Don't get discouraged if you die a few times. Just keep practicing and you will eventually master the combat system. Have fun. God of War Ragnarok is an amazing game, so make sure to enjoy yourself. Don't take the game too seriously and just have fun with it.